My name is Rebecca Chien. I read Cloud and Cleo clouds. One day, Cloud and her sister Cleo went to Clovis Park. They climbed a hill and had a picnic close to a party lake. Cloud and Cleo said the climb clouder was especially delicious. After a while, a cluster of clouds clouded and clouded sky. Get what I see, said Cloud, staring up at the clouds. Here is a clue. He has a round nose and horns around in a song. You see a ground, said Cleo. Very clever, examining clouds. Another cloud of clouds appeared. Get what I see, said Cleo, are a clue. You want them up in a tree. You see clouds, she said, very closely examining Cleo. Another cluster of clouds appeared. Get what I see, said Cloud. Here is a clue. If you find one in a stone of glass, you will have good luck. You see a four-leaf clover, she said Cleo, very clever, examining Cloud. Another cluster of clouds appeared. Get what I see, said Cleo. There are a clue. She found when we cleaned our rooms. You see, Mom, said Cloud with a giggle. Very calm, examining Cleo. Hey, Mom is pointing a Cloud's cloak. I think she wants up to close up our picnic basket and come home. Cleo took Cloud, so they did.